Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money for yourself using Google Maps, even if you don't have experience in making money online. Now, who am I making this video for? This video is for you if you are a consultant, if you are into web design, if you are into graphic design, or you offer any services for business owners. I'm going to show you how you can use Google Maps to make money for yourself. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I want to say welcome to my channel, and I'm very excited to have you. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel, if you are a member of this channel, you know that on this channel we show you how to do stuff online. I show you things that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. All right, so for you to learn more from this channel, all I need you to do is to show me some love by liking this video, by subscribing to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Why you are doing that is so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified every time I put out a new video. All right, so if you're ready to learn, I want you to stay focused, stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm still going to drop something that is interesting, another interesting information for you. All right, so please, as you watch this video, try not to skip any part of this video, because I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money using Google Maps, even if you have never made money online before. All right, so if you're ready, let's quickly go straight into my Google Chrome. Let me show you how you can do this for yourself. All right, so the first thing you're going to do, you are going to come here to your Google Chrome. I'm going to come to my Google Chrome and I'm going to click on this. All right, come to my Google Chrome. All right, and then I'm going to type something here. I'm going to say maps. All right, I'm going to say maps.google.com. Can you see it up in the search area? maps.google.com, and I'm going to enter it. Okay, I'm going to enter it and wait for it to load. Now you can see it has given me the map of my location. All right, it has given me the map of my location. Currently I'm shooting this video from Lagos State. All right, I'm shooting this right from Lagos State. All right, if you're watching this from outside Nigeria, you can also apply this to your location. All right, we all know that Google Maps are used to search for locations, all right, to help you locate places close to you. All right, but right now business owners are tapping into this technology. Business owners are leveraging Google so that they can help their businesses to be visible, so that they can place their business on the top search, so that when people search for your kind of business, all right, when people search for your kind of business, they can know where your business is. They can see your business and say, okay, this business has a location, I can locate this business. So what are the kind of business that can benefit from this kind of the use of Google Maps? You can have businesses like spa, businesses like maybe you sell solar panels, or maybe you build websites, or maybe you are a hairstylist, or maybe you are a fitness trainer, or maybe you sell anything that people can benefit from. All right, so if these businesses are on Google, you know that definitely there must be somebody who is offering value to help these businesses to grow. All right, using Google. And I'm sure you must have heard about Google My Business Profile. If you haven't heard about that, go to Google and search that. You're going to find some details about that. All right, but for this video I'm not doing that. I'm not talking about Google My Business. I'm talking about how you can make money, you know, from business owners that are on Google. All right, so quickly let me let's do some little work here. Now, the aim of coming here is to find out businesses that are here on Google. All right, we want to find out businesses that are here on Google. So what I'll do, first of all, I want to pick maybe one service or two services. Okay, so before I will do that, I want to go to ChatGPT. All right, I want to go to ChatGPT, and I want ChatGPT to give me some good options of businesses, all right, of services that people offer. All right, now let's wait for ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I've created a video. All right, I've created a video. I'll drop it in the link in the description so that you can learn how to create prompts. All right, This ChatGPT is just an AI that helps us to suggest, all right, so that we don't think for too long. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to show me some services that people offer as a business. So I'll come here to the search area here. This my ChatGPT is already open. I'm going to come to this search area here, and I'm going to say, give me a list of 10 services. Okay, services. Give me a list of 10 services that businesses offer on Google. Okay, now let's just see. So I've entered this. Let me enter it again. Okay, I think this didn't work. Let me type it again. Let's make this work. So we come here, I'll copy this, select all, I'll come here again and paste it here again. My ChatGPT has been doing a lot of work these days, so you just have to let's just be patient with it. Okay, let's type that again. Give me a list of services that are offered in business. Okay, I just changed the prompt now. Let's see if it's going to give me something that I want. Okay, all right, let's wait for it patiently. Let's wait. Okay, good. You can see some list of services that it has opened up for me. Now, if you have not been using ChatGPT, you need to start using ChatGPT, because this is a very powerful tool that can simplify your content creation. It can simplify your job if you offer a business. It can help you make suggestions for the kind of content you can be creating. It can help you create your content calendar. It can help you write business plans. It can help you do quite a whole lot. All right, if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I've created a video on how to use ChatGPT. I will drop it in the link in the description, so make sure you check that. Okay, so quickly, let's pick a service. You can see all of these services now. Look at all of this. Now you can see search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing. So let's quickly pick. Let's say we pick the first one. Let's pick not the first one. Let's pick the first services we can offer. Let's pick social media marketing. Let's pick email marketing. Let's pick web design. All right, let's pick web design. All right, now follow me carefully. Let's pick logo design. Are you seeing this now? Now the next one, let's even pick let's say, okay, from this now we can even tell them Facebook ads. Okay, let's say Facebook ads. Now we have 5 services that we have picked here. Now let's say general consulting. Let's just say business consulting. Let's just use that word. Now there are different kind of consulting, but let's just use consulting as a bigger version of it. Now we've picked 5 services that we know that we can offer. All right, now quickly, that doesn't mean that you must stay on that. Now if you maybe you offer different services different from these ones I've mentioned, now you have to just take a look at all of these services and see which one you can actually render. Now you will pick those 5. all right, out of those 5 you're going to pick 2 that you're very good at. Now you're going to go straight back to your Google Chrome where you have your Google Maps. All right, where you have your Google Maps. Now I've picked social media, I've picked email marketing, I've picked web design, I've picked logo, I've picked Facebook ads. So I want to just pick 2 out of it. So maybe I'm going to stay on social media management and probably web design or logo. So I'm going to now imagine who are the businesses that I want to offer these skills to. I know that definitely there are small business owners that are definitely struggling with content creation. That one is sure. I know that there are small business owners that are also struggling with creating logos or designs for their business. They don't know how to create content. They are even struggling to create content daily. We see it every day. If you are online, if you're on the internet, we know about this. So what you're going to do now is to come here. Let me just pick a good business that I have in mind. I'm going to type spa. Good. You can see now spa in Lagos. Exactly what I wanted to type. You come here and say spa in Lagos. Now, if you are outside Lagos, you can do this for your location. All right. Now, this is done on smartphone. All right. These 3 dots that you can see here, these 3 horizontal lines on the top left, I'm going to click on it. All right. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to say, now follow me. Let's go. View list. Good. I'm going to come down. Left below, all right, left side below. I'm going to click on it once. I'll click on it once and click on it once, and you can see the list of different spas. Are you seeing this now? These are list of different spas in Lagos. So what you want to do is that you want to search for what is missing in these businesses. Are you getting it now? You want to search for what is missing in these businesses so that you can provide your services to these people. All right, so I'm going to pick one. I've done this before. All right, I've done this before, so I'm going to just pick one of the businesses I know that needs my support. So I'm going to come to this DOG. All right, I'm going to come to this DOG. So just follow the method I'm following in your own line of business. So I'll come to this DOG. All right, it has 4.9 stars. Now these ones that are on top has 4.8. You can check it. For me, I just want to go straight to the video and just show. If I was to be checking this now, I'm going to check them one by one. Are you getting this now? But for the sake of this video, I don't want it to be extensively or excessively too long. That's why I'm just doing this. Now I'm going to click on this DOG spa. I'll click on it and I'll wait for it to load. Now you can see this person now. This person has a picture. This person has picture. You can see their pictures. You can see their picture. So remember I told you that one of the things we are looking for is what is missing. Are you getting this now? First thing first, let's look. Does this person have a website? Now you can see this part showing website. The person used a Facebook handle. That means the person doesn't have a website. You're going to write it down. The person doesn't have what? A website. So you're going to click on this Facebook to see if what the person's Facebook handle looks like, what the person's Facebook page looks like. Are you seeing the Facebook page of this person now? You can see that this person needs some form of rebranding. Are you getting it now? You put that. Rebranding is required. Are you getting it now? So if you're a graphic designer or you're a logo designer, you know that this is good market for you. All right, you can see. Let's look at what the person has been posting. Let's see if the person is current. Can you see now? So you can see that the last time the person posted was 27th of March. 27th of March, meaning that the person is trying but not too current. The person is trying but not too current. Now where you can come in here is to suggest to the person, look at the last time he posted, 3rd of February, and then look at the gap again, 27th of March. 3rd of February, 27th of March. So you can see that this person has not been really consistent with their content on around their business. So where do you come in now? You need to become a content creator for this person. Are you getting this now? You can become a content creator for this person. Now, just looking at the page, we can see that this person needs some form of real content creation for their business. All right, we're not going to stay here for too long, but let's go back to where we came from. Let's go back to where we came from. Sorry, this is taking us far. All right, now what you're going to do is to copy the person's contact. You're going to copy the person's contact. If the person has a website, you go and check if the website is okay, if the website is clickable, and then you copy the location. Now you're going to check how many reviews do they have. You can see this person has 4.9 stars with a 78 review on it. So you start looking at it. What are people saying? You look at the good things they are saying and you look at the bad things they are saying. It is from what the bad things they are saying now, you are going to put that down. Are you getting it now? You're going to check also if the person has Instagram accounts on this platform. If they don't have, you can suggest it. All right, you can suggest it. Now what you're going to do after you have looked for all the things that are missing in this business, the next thing to do is to contact them. You're going to call them and tell them that you can offer your solutions to them to help their business to, first of all, be visible online, and secondly, to make more money by attracting more customers. Are you getting this now? So these are the ways you can come in and make some money for yourself. So let's say, for example, as a case study, you want to create their content for them. You're going to go ahead and have a meeting with these people. After you've called them, you are going to schedule a meeting with these people. Either you want to do it online or you want to do it offline. You want to go to their office. That's why they have a location. Most times, if you are lucky enough, these people will say they want to see you in person. So you have to prepare yourself. Make sure it is a location that is close to you so that you can get to them. All right. So once you get all this done, you should have a good conversation. You should know how to pitch yourself. All right. At the end of the day, most of these people will be very happy for you to offer your services to them. At the end of the day, you should be able to get 1 or 2 businesses that you can work with. So for instance, let's say you're going to be creating a content calendar for these people. What you are going to do is to come back to ChatGPT and design a content calendar that you can be posting every day. Are you getting what I'm saying now? You are going to design a content calendar that you can be posting for them every day. You can tell them that you want to be their social media manager, meaning that you're going to manage their social media page. You're going to manage their Facebook page. You're going to manage their Instagram. All right. And then you'll be creating content on a daily basis for them. If you charge a business about 30,000 naira, if you do it for 4 businesses, that's some good money for you at the end of the month. All right. Now, some of these people, if they don't believe you, you have to prove yourself. All right. Let's say you are not charging 30,000 naira. Let's say you are charging 25,000 naira. If you take 25,000 naira from 4 businesses, that will be 100K at the end of the month. Is this a good thing for you to do? Yes, it is a good thing. Will it be easy for you? No, not quite easy. But I'm telling you, if you do this very well, correctly, if you follow this thing I have showed you, you are going to definitely start seeing results. This is how you can make money from Google Maps, even if you are just a beginner, even if you have never made money from the internet. And this is where I'm going to stop. I believe that you've gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. All right, now to the promise I made to you. I promised you that I'm going to give you something at the end of this video. If you want to join my membership group, if you want to learn more from me about business, about how to do stuffs online, about how to make money online, I'm going to drop a link to my group. All right, a link to my group where you can click and have access to my group. All right, that is all. So all you need to do is to make sure you check the link in the description. Don't forget, check the link in the description, and I'm going to see you inside. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.